Okay, let's start with IELTS speaking. I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you got to answer. Uh, do you like to recycle?
Uh, Recycling is a
Okay, change the topic. What's your favorite color?
my favorite color is black. I love that color because it attracts people, and I usually have many jeans and shirts that are of black color. Even I have many watches that are black color, so I love black color.
Okay, what's the national color of your country?
The national color of my country is, I think, green, and it also represents our flag, that is also a green color. And people like to wear clothes of green color on the Independence Day, so it's green.
Okay, is there any color that you dislike?
I dislike the dull colors such as pure red, and I don't like it because it doesn't attract me, and it doesn't have a place in my heart, so it's red.
Okay, that's good. So try to be familiar with all the topics. If the topic is recycling, you should know how to answer. Okay.
सर वो उतना पता है कि recycling क्या है, लेकिन
Okay, no issues. Let's go on. It's your turn. Do you like picnicking or do you like going for picnic?
Yeah, usually I like going for a picnic because whenever I free,
Whenever I am free.
whenever I am free, I go for a picnic because it relaxes me and have some time with my friends.
Okay, do you prefer to go for picnic with your family or friends?
Usually I prefer both, but it depends on occasions. Sometimes I go with my family and sometimes with my friends. Therefore, it depends on.
So what does it depend on?
It depends on several occasions, like days. So, some days I will go with my friends, and sometime I will.
So on Monday you go with your friends, on Tuesdays you go with your family, like that, okay? All right, let's go on. What do you like to eat during the picnic?
I like mostly my country dishes like biryani and korma and other things that are related to our culture.
Harissa, nihari, this and that. Avoid local words in English, okay? Just try to say something in English. I like sandwiches. Even if you don't like sandwiches, don't worry. Right? During the picnic, I love to have sandwiches or pizza or anything like that. Okay. When did you go for picnic last time?
I went for a picnic for a couple of years ago, and after that I have not free, and because I am out of country, and therefore I
didn't go for picnic like in 2 years time. You went to picnic 2 years ago.
Yes, sir.
All right, you've become the prime minister of the country that you have no time. Even prime minister has got time for picnic, huh? Okay, so try to expand your answer. Try to speak at least 5-6 sentences. Use a variety of words in your answer, okay? And don't be panicked, like, okay? Yeah, thank you.